if you've been thinking of where to get these 3D icons and other PNG images, then stop thinking right now, because in this video I'm going to show you exactly where to get them and how to get them. So without further ado, let's jump into it. So quickly, I'm going to send it to Google Chrome right away. So when you're into Google Chrome, the first thing that you have to do is to type this website. Probably I'll leave the link in the description so you can actually go ahead and use it. So you type pngwing.com. all right, pngwing.com. so let me put a dot over here quickly so that we move right. So after typing this website, just tap on enter and it will send you to the website like this. So when you're on this website, all that you have to do is to type exactly what you want into the search bar. For instance, let's say I'm looking for the 3D icons of Instagram. So I'll just type 3D Instagram. Let's say something like that. Okay, 3D Instagram. And from the search, these options or these things will come up. So you select the one that you want and you are good to go. Okay, that's just an example. Now let's say I'm looking for a 3D icon of WhatsApp. So I'm going to type 3D WhatsApp into the search bar and see what will pop up. So let's see what will pop up right away. So when you scroll down, you begin to see these elements over here, and of course you select the one that you actually like. Okay, that is how we go about it. Okay, all these images over here, they are PNG. I mean, they are transparent and they are free to download. Okay, so I'm going to use TikTok as an example so that we all try and download it together and see how the process is. So I'll search for TikTok 3D. So let's see what will pop up after this search term. Okay, so let me just scroll through. Okay, we have only two options over here. I'm going to select the one at the down here, so I'll tap on it. After tapping on it, you need to scroll down and see where they've written download this PNG. All right, and the size is written against it. In this case, we have 80 kilobytes approximately. So I'll tap on download, and of course adverts will pop up, but you need to just forgo the adverts. Okay, because we are not interested in the adverts. So after this, they'll give you some thing to solve. Okay, so let's wait for it to load. Once it loads, then we begin to actually follow it. So I'm waiting for it. So click alphabet in order and download PNG. So we have the alphabet over here. This is what you have to do. You have to tap on 6, then followed by N, followed by L, then followed by 2. So let's locate the 6, and it is right here, followed by M, then followed by L, then followed by 2. Okay, so that is it. We've passed that test over there. So you can now go ahead and download this. Okay, I've already downloaded it once, but I'm just going to download it again for this tutorial sake. So it's been downloaded and the download has actually completed successfully. So I'm going to open it in my download folder. Let me just open it right away from here. So this is how it's going to appear. But if we head over straight to our PixelLab application and try importing this shape, let me see what is here. Okay, let me try importing it into this kind of flyer directly so that you see how it's going to appear. So I'm going to tap on import and I'll pick it up quickly. So it is a transparent image. It is not having any background, as you can see it over here. It is a transparent image. Okay, so that is how you can actually utilize this website for your own good. If you want to learn a lot of stuff or download a lot of images, for that matter PNG images, you can use that website, which is pngwing.com, pngwing.com. okay, so guys, I think this video is actually helpful, and if it has helped you, then don't forget to hit that like button and also subscribe to this channel. And of course, this is Godswill here, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bless up.